A car stuck. Can you tell me what it is? Tell me what it is. Get down.
Hey everyone, Emmy here. Welcome back to my channel, Emmy's Family Adventures. This is Cal and this is Kim. And today we are going to make slime. So we're going to make green slime for St. Patrick's Day. And we're going to make two kinds. So the first one is made from the Elmer's glue slime kit. There's a green glue with an activator, so it's just two ingredients.
I'll just
And
go put this
then
away.
the second one has three ingredients. Hey, come back here. So it's just glue, shave gel, and food color. If you don't have a green food color, you can mix blue and yellow to make it green. So those are the three ingredients for the second slime we're going to make. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
You want to go make it now? Okay guys, so you're going to need a bowl where you're going to mix your slime, and you need some spatula, and we're going to make this one first, the Elmer's Color Slime Kit. And then we're going to make the DIY slime. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the...
And then the other one has three.
Yes, the Elmer's slime kit has two ingredients, and it says this is the magical liquid. And then we are also going to use this washable color glue, and this is green. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to put in is the glue,
of course. Then now we screw off the cap and just squeeze it all in.
and then we're going to squeeze everything in. Ooh, that is green.
Like frog slime.
Like what?
Frog slime.
Frog slime.
Mommy doesn't like frogs.
Alright, so that's all the glue inside the bowl, and then we're going to put the magical liquid,
AKA activator.
aka activator. He's going to put in the activator.
Cameron just put his finger there, now it's in glue.
A little bit at a time, and then just mix it in.
Mixing bop, mixy bop. Don't worry about getting messy. Hey, what? We're sticking.
Okay, why don't you do the mixing then? Do we need some more?
I think we do.
Yeah, it's still too gooey.
Okay, I want to make that. It doesn't stay together, and it's too slippery.
Okay, again.
Trying to be squirmy.
Ooh, look at all that ooey gooey slime.
Whoa! Can I touch it?
Not yet. Okay, go ahead. Mix.
Mix. It's just make good candy. I make your pie.
Boy, I think I put too much. It's too gooey.
What do you mean?
Okay, so touch it. It's ooey gooey.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Don't push it. Hey!
Oh my goodness, it's a complete mess. It's still too sticky. So ooey gooey. Okay guys, so this is our slime now. I actually think I put too much activator, so now it's all looking like jello.
touch it?
So, it's not as sticky anymore.
Well, that's good.
So,
Now it's all like jello. Yeah, it is like jello. That's still squish and leave some. You can take that up.
it's not as stretchy as I want it to be. Look.
Look at this cup. But it turned out good. It's still good. I feel like it's still good. Right?
This is my first time making slime.
Right.
So, I think
And the cable.
I need more practice. So we're gonna make some more. We're gonna try the other one with the 3 ingredients with the shave gel. So this is the one from the Elmer's glue slime kit.
That went way too high.
It's so stretchy.
I thought you said it wasn't good. Oh, I made it. It almost hit me like that. That's fine. It's nice and gooey and solid and bubble. And it's as stretchier and stretchier. And then you can wind
Look, you can stretch it. If you do very carefully, you can get it to stretch. See, look. Look, it's still stretched.
Yeah, I guess you just have to do it very carefully.
Oh, can I pop the bubble? It doesn't pop.
Okay, so we're getting ready to do the second one, and we're gonna use glue and shave gel for activator.
Look at mine.
All right, Camden wants to show again. All right, so this is the slime that we made a while ago from the Elmer's glue slime kit. And
There's
the
a
boys
bus
are-
inside.
There's a bus inside
What
of
is
it.
inside this?
I'm gonna guess it's a car.
Yes, it's a 1999 Acura.
So they're having fun playing with it. It's actually a nice consistency already. So we're gonna make the next one.
That was my car.
So we're gonna make the next one, which is made out of Elmer's glue,
And
shave
shaving.
gel, and food color. All right, so let's try this
Hold
one.
on, I'm gonna spray some save gel.
Okay, so we're gonna pour all the glue. This is gonna be a lot.
Okay, me too.
I just made it fart.
I want one. I want
I'm gonna make it fart. It's like farting. I can put it on this side.
Alright, so
Can I spray some? I want to try and spray
Mommy's
some.
gonna mix this time, okay?
Okay, but can I
All
spray
right.
some?
Wait a minute. Let me mix it first.
Tell me when I can spray.
Look what I made mine can.
Tell me when I can spray it, okay?
I want to spray.
Okay, Manong's turn first. Go ahead, Manong.
How hard do you have to press it? How hard do you have to press this thing?
Oh no, it's glue shave gel. So the
Are we
it's
gonna
turning
go?
blue.
Okay, it's my turn.
Okay, but you have to press really hard. It's so hard. Even I struggle to do. Hey, don't! You can't spray it with one finger. You have to spray it with your whole hand.
Right, okay.
Okay.
I want to do it right
He put a lot, and I put a lot of
It's
sage.
actually like whipped cream now. See?
It actually looks like this.
No, that's different.
Oh, do you have your green shirt on?
It's like cloud slime.
Come on, he got the
Fluffy
shave gel.
slime.
He got it. He got the shave gel into action.
Still very runny.
We've used that whole
So
Oh, yeah, okay. I'll just
we're gonna look for some more shave gel here around the house and see if we can make it into a slimy consistency.
I said he might need to buy another one. So we put a little bit too much glue, and now we put a little bit too much shaving gel. And shaving gel expands when it gets mixed, and this is our result.
It's not turning into ooey gooey slime.
Ooh.
See, it's still too runny.
The handle.
Mm-hmm.
So we need more activator? We need
Yeah.
more activator. We need more activator. Let's go get more activator.
Because I can't.
So I think we added too much shaving gel.
Okay, so it's actually, the second one is a fail because we put too much shave gel.
It actually
And now
feels great.
we don't have a slimy consistency to it, but a puffy, creamy, messy consistency.
And here's the other one compared to the other one.
It's a mess. Oh my gosh. So, comment down below, guys, what we need to change. We'll try to do it again next time
I'm gonna put it
and make it better and not look like this.
like this.
Okay, guys, so this is the only slime that came out really good and it worked. This was from the Elmer's Glue Slime Kit. The other one was an epic fail. It's kind of greenish gold. Ooh. Alright, so that's it for our video for today. It is so squishy slime.
And mushy. And squishy. And mushy.
Okay, so that's it for our video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that notification bell so you will be the first to know if we have a new video out. And bye!
I can't stop. Are you ready?
Why are you eating? Okay, ready. Filming.
All that